Imagine you apply for a loan. The bank says, sorry, denied. You ask why. The system says, I can't tell you. Sounds unfair, right? This is a real problem in AI today. Welcome to Explainable AI. Modern AI systems, especially deep learning, work like a black box. Data goes in, a decision comes out, but nobody fully knows what happened in the middle. That's a serious problem when lives are at stake. The black box isn't just a technical problem, it's a human problem. When AI can't explain itself, people get hurt. Patients, drivers, job applicants, all affected by decisions they can't question. Explainable AI, or XAI, is the answer to the black box. It's AI that can show its reasoning. Think of a teacher who doesn't just give you the answer, they walk you through every step. XAI is not just a nice to have, it's essential. Without it, we can't trust AI in medicine, law, or finance. And as governments create new AI regulations, explainability is becoming a legal requirement. Ahmed applies for a loan. The AI silently crunches 500 data points and says no. Ahmed has no idea why, but with explainable AI, the system tells him exactly why and what he can do about it. Here's the side-by-side. Black box models are powerful but blind. Explainable AI trades a tiny bit of that power for something way more valuable, human understanding. That trade-off is always worth it. AI models fall into two camps. Black box models are incredibly powerful, like deep neural networks, but nobody really knows what happens inside. Interpretable models are simpler, and you can trace every decision step by step. XAI rests on three pillars: transparency, interpretability, and trust. Think of them as the what, the how, and the why. You need all three to build AI that humans can genuinely rely on. XAI sits between the model and the human. Data goes in, the model makes a decision, and then the XAI layer translates that decision into a reason. Think of it as the AI's internal translator. There are three main tools in the XAI toolkit. Lime explains any prediction locally. SHAP gives fair credit to each feature, and feature importance ranks what mattered most. All three make AI decisions auditable. Here's what an XAI explanation actually looks like. This is called a SHAP chart. Each bar shows how much a specific factor pushed the AI toward or against approving the loan. Suddenly, the mystery disappears. The benefits of XAI go beyond just explaining decisions. You get trust, fairness, legal compliance, and safer AI systems, all in one. It makes AI a tool that humans can genuinely partner with, not fear. XAI isn't magic, it comes with trade-offs. The more accurate a model, the harder it is to explain. And even when you generate an explanation, making it meaningful to a non-technical person is a challenge. XAI isn't theoretical, it's already being deployed. From cancer treatment recommendations to credit scoring, real companies are using explainability to make AI safer, fairer, and more accountable. XAI isn't just a technical tool, it's an ethical one. It gives us the power to detect bias, demand accountability, and protect people's rights in the age of algorithmic decision-making. XAI is moving fast. The EU is already mandating explanations for high-risk AI. Researchers are working on making even massive language models interpretable. The future of AI is not just smart, it's transparent. Let's wrap up. 5 key takeaways. Black boxes are dangerous. XAI is the solution. Tools like Lime and SHAP make it practical. XAI is legally required in many domains. Responsible AI must be explainable AI. If this video made AI feel a little less mysterious, hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI series content, and drop a comment. Should AI always be forced to explain itself? I'd love to hear your take.